Have you ever considered the significance of having a side income in today's economy? In an era where financial uncertainties are the new normal, diversifying your income sources is not just a smart move, it's a necessity. So let's talk about the importance of side income. For starters, it provides a safety net. An extra stream of income can act as a buffer during challenging times, reducing the stress that comes with living paycheck to paycheck. But it's not just about financial stability. Having a side income can also offer opportunities for personal and professional growth. It can be a platform to explore new interests, learn new skills, and even discover potential career paths. Imagine being able to pursue your passions not just as hobbies, but as income-generating ventures. From photography to writing, coding to crafting, the possibilities are as varied as your interests. And the best part? You're not just earning extra cash, you're growing as an individual. Now let's take it up a notch. What if this side income could earn you money even when you're not actively working on it? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the beauty of passive income. It allows you to earn money while you sleep, on vacation, or while working on your next big project. And the digital world has opened up a plethora of opportunities to create passive income. One of these is selling digital products on platforms like Etsy. From digital art to ebooks, printables to planners, the digital marketplace is booming with potential. So why not tap into this potential? Why not create something that not only brings in extra income but also brings joy to you and others? Why not leverage your creativity, your skills, your passions to secure your financial future? Now you may wonder, how can I create a side income? Well, one of the popular ways is by selling digital products on platforms like Etsy. Let's explore this further. One of the top-selling digital products on Etsy is a digital monthly planner. A digital monthly planner, as the name suggests, is a digital version of the traditional paper-based planners. It's a tool that helps manage your time, track your tasks, and organize your life, all within the convenience of your digital devices. Imagine having your entire month's schedule, to-do lists, goals and notes, all neatly organized in one place that you can access anytime, anywhere. That's the power of a digital monthly planner. But it's not just about managing time and tasks. Digital monthly planners offer a unique blend of functionality and creativity, allowing you to customize and personalize your planner to suit your style and needs. You can choose themes, colors, and layouts that resonate with you, turning your planner into a reflection of your personality. Now let's talk about its potential as a source of passive income. The beauty of selling digital products like a monthly planner is that you create it once and it can be sold unlimited times. There's no inventory to manage, no shipping costs, and best of all, it can be sold worldwide. This means, while you're sleeping, someone on the other side of the globe could be purchasing and downloading your digital planner. It's like having a shop that's open 24/7. And the demand? Well, in the age of digitalization, more and more people are switching to digital planners for their convenience, versatility, and eco-friendliness. Not to mention, in today's fast-paced world, everyone is looking for tools to help them stay organized and increase productivity. That's where your digital monthly planner comes in. Creating a digital monthly planner might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. We will guide you step by step. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So let's take that first step together and embark on this exciting journey of creating your very own digital monthly planner. Creating a digital monthly planner might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. We will guide you step by step. The first step to creating your digital monthly planner is choosing the right design tools. Now, there's a whole universe of design tools out there, each with its own set of unique features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's run through some of the most popular ones that could help you craft a stunning digital monthly planner. First up, we have Adobe Suite. This powerhouse comes packed with an array of professional-grade tools. Adobe Illustrator, for instance, offers precision and flexibility, making it perfect for creating intricate designs. However, the learning curve is relatively steep, and it's a subscription-based service which may not be ideal for everyone. Next, Canva. This online tool is loved by many for its user-friendly interface and vast library of templates. It's great for beginners, and it offers a free version. However, to unlock its full potential, you'd need to subscribe to Canva Pro. Then we have Procreate. This one's for all you iPad users out there. Procreate is a dream for hand-drawn designs, offering a more tactile and intimate design experience. However, it's only available on iOS, so Android or PC users will need to look elsewhere. And finally, we have Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, it's not just for presentations. PowerPoint is surprisingly versatile and can be used for creating simple but effective digital planners. It's part of the Microsoft Office suite, which many of you might already have access to, making it a cost-effective choice. Now remember, there's no one-size-fits-all tool. Each of these options has its strengths and weaknesses, and what works best for you will depend on your needs, your skills, and your budget. So take the time to experiment and find what feels right. And most importantly, remember that it's not just about the tool, it's about how you use it. The best tool in your arsenal is your creativity and your unique perspective. These are what will truly set your digital monthly planner apart. Remember, choosing a tool that you're comfortable with is crucial, as it will greatly influence the final product. Now that we've chosen our design tool, let's jump into the fun part, crafting our digital monthly planner. This is where your creativity takes the lead and where you infuse your unique style into your product. First, let's think about layout. A well-structured, visually appealing layout is key. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality too. This is what your customers will interact with daily. So consider how your planner can help them organize their tasks, manage their time, and reach their goals. Maybe you want to include an area for daily tasks, a section for monthly goals, or even a space for notes. Next, let's consider the various sections you might want to include. Remember, your planner isn't just a calendar, it's a tool to help your customers live more organized, productive lives. You might want to include sections for daily to-dos, weekly overviews, or even habit trackers. It's all about creating a product that provides value and meets your customers' needs. Now, let's talk about aesthetics. The use of colors and fonts can really make your planner stand out. Consider your target audience and what might appeal to them. Are they minimalists who prefer a sleek, monochrome look? Or do they lean towards bright, bold colors and playful fonts? The key here is to be consistent in your design choices to create a cohesive look. Finally, remember to keep it simple. While it's tempting to include every feature under the sun, sometimes less is more. A cluttered planner can be overwhelming and hard to use, so focus on the essentials and create a product that's user-friendly and easy to navigate. Great job! You've now crafted your digital monthly planner. The next step is getting it ready for sale. And remember, this is more than just a product. It's a tool that can help your customers live better lives, and it's a step towards securing your own financial future. So let's get ready to package our product and make our mark on the Etsy marketplace. The final step in our journey is packaging your digital monthly planner for sale. Now you've crafted a beautiful product, but that's only half the battle. How you present and price your planner can make all the difference when it comes to attracting buyers. So, let's start with creating an attractive product description. This is your chance to really sell your planner. Highlight its unique features, the thought and care you've put into its design. Use descriptive and engaging language to paint a picture in your potential buyer's mind. Remember, they can't physically touch or see your planner, so your words need to do the heavy lifting. Next, let's talk about setting a competitive price. Pricing is a delicate balance. You want to make sure you're compensated for your time and effort, but you also need to consider what your target market is willing to pay. Research similar products on Etsy to get a sense of the going rate. Remember, your planner is not just a product, it's a tool that can help people organize their lives and achieve their goals. Price it accordingly, and there you have it. You've created, designed, and now packaged your digital monthly planner for sale. All that's left is to list it on Etsy and wait for those orders to start rolling in. Congratulations, you're now ready to list your digital monthly planner on Etsy. And there you have it, your very own digital monthly planner ready for sale on Etsy. We've journeyed through the importance of a side income, the creation of a digital planner, and finally packaging your product for sale. This isn't just about crafting a digital product, but also about securing your financial future. Remember, this is how most people are making a living using side hustles to create passive income. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more ways to earn money. Until next time, keep creating.